Channels like Low Budget Story, Sir Budget Story, and Lord Wojak have become the kings of the content world today. Channels that can attract millions of views with just a simple upload, and create new trends on YouTube and social media every time. But what is the reality behind this success? These channels use a specific content style, and now we created a complete step-by-step tutorial, so that you can create exactly what these channels do from scratch. In this course, you will learn how to rate a script, how to design an animation, how to do animations without prior knowledge, and how to produce videos that have a high chance of going viral. In fact, after this tutorial, you'll be able to create the same kind of popular videos that these channels have used to get millions of views. This isn't just a tutorial. This is an opportunity to enter the world of viral content, and here's exactly what you can create with our method. Looking for unique Wojak characters for your content? The Mega Wojak Pack includes over 29 2K characters ready to use in videos, thumbnails, memes, and more. Get the full pack now on Gumroad, link in the description. So now guys, if everything has been interesting for you so far, the more important part is just starting. To make your work even easier, faster, and hassle-free, I have put all the ready-made prompts in the Telegram channel. These prompts are exactly the ones I use to create high-quality videos. You can easily download them whenever you want, and insert the ones you like the most into the AI. The DLD tools, one by one. Each prompt is carefully and meticulously designed for a specific style. Some are suitable for dramatic stories, some for fantasy narratives, some for the low-budget story style, and some for Wojak animations with cinematic movements. So all you have to do is choose a prompt, paste it into your desired site, and that's it. The AI will do the rest for you. Accurate, fast, and effortless. For example, I went to a site called Nana Banana Pro. This site is one of the popular tools for creating Wojak-style animations, and can introduce amazing results with just a few simple clicks. Of course, if for some reason this site is not available to you, don't worry. Just do a quick Google search and you will see that there are dozens of free and powerful sites for creating this type of animation, from light versions to versions with professional capabilities. And now let's get to the exciting part. These are examples that I have already created with these prompts. Please just take a close look and see how high the quality is. The movements are completely smooth and natural. The design lines are precise and harmonious. The color scheme is completely eye-catching and professional. These outputs are exactly what big YouTube channels use to get millions of views. Now that you've created your Wojak animations and your raw videos are ready, it's time for one of the most important steps in content creation, editing and turning all of these parts into a professional and engaging video. To do this, head over to CapCut, a program that's not only incredibly easy for beginners, but also has tools that pros use. Even if you've never edited a video before, CapCut is designed to be easy to understand and use the first time you use it. Once you're in the program, the first thing you need to do is choose and add a suitable background song to your project. Choosing a song is one of the most critical steps because music is exactly what sets the mood of your video. It can make it more emotional, cinematic, or even exciting. So choose a high-quality song that matches the style of your video to engage the audience from the first seconds and keep them scrolling away. After you've added the music, it's time for the main content. Import all the Wojak videos you've made into CapCut. Do this by pressing the Add Media option, and then add the videos one by one to the timeline. Once all the clips are in the timeline, all you have to do is arrange them. Each clip should be in its proper section so that your story flows seamlessly. This is where the video goes from being raw to an engaging and understandable narrative. Move clips, trim extra parts, and place each scene exactly where you feel it has the best emotional or visual impact. Once the overall structure of the video is ready, we come to the part that will transform your video from ordinary to professional, adding effects, transitions, and visual effects. Go to the effects section in CapCut. There are dozens of types of effects here: motion effects, camera shake, lighting, motion blur, and even cinematic effects for narrative video. You need to choose the right effect for each part of the video. As I show you in my video tutorial, this step requires a little precision and patience. The effect should be perfectly in harmony with the rhythm of the music, the rhythm of the movements, the changes of scenes, and the atmosphere of the story. One wrong effect may ruin the flow of the video, but the right effect can make the entire video many times more attractive, professional, and cinematic. So give each part of the clip an effect, granular, and carefully. Pay attention to motion effects. Use smooth transitions to connect two scenes, and if necessary, adjust the lighting or color of the clips a little to make everything look harmonious and consistent. Once you've done all of this and your video is close to its final form, it's time to export. Click the export button, set the quality to the highest possible setting like 1080p or even 4K. If the videos are high quality, and let the program render the entire project. I'm gonna do all of this very quickly so that the tutorial doesn't get too long. But if you take a little more time, you can get an output that looks even more professional than my videos. Finally, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, be sure to write them in the comments section. I read all of the comments carefully and will try to answer all of your questions in future. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget that your support motivates me to make more and better videos. Until the next video, good luck and shine in the world of content with your creativity.